Hello guys, wala ka pa rin bang afam? Ay nako, napag-iiwanan ka na ng panahon. So anyway, ang aking messenger inbox nga ay puno ng mga Zay kasi ang daming nagtatanong sa inyo. Hindi lang Pinay, kundi mga afam. Wag na kayong magpapahuli mga Zay, nag-aantay na yung mga bunal. Charot. So I don't know guys if you already seen some of my previous vlog regarding about where to find a genuine Filipina and a fam. So dahil mabait tayo, maganda tayo, sexy tayo, hot tayo, i-share ko ulit mga Zay dahil sharing is caring. Charot! So if you guys have tried different dating service pero hindi pa rin nag-work, baka this is your time to switch a dating service mga Zay. So hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. The only dating service I can only recommend is Christian Filipina Dating Service. So this is very legit and very trusty dating service mga Zay. So anyway, if you are one of them looking for your soulmate, the serious one, the loving one, what are you waiting for guys? I'm gonna put the link on my bio here. Sign up now here. Good luck!